Hey guys, Ryan Brignac again here. I got another quick video for you on how to input in your expert advisors for live trading. You can either have gotten them from a friend or programmed them, but I'm pretty sure if you programmed them, you already know how to input them in. But right here on my desktop, I have a expert advisor EMA-price that I created and programmed. I do have simpler ones for sale on the website. But for simplicity reasons, I'm going to show you just on how to input them in. So I have it right here. All you do is right click, copy them, open your MT4 platform, and as you can see right here in expert advisors, the EMA-price is not added yet. So you click file, open data folder, MQL4, experts, and then I just right click and paste it. As you can see here, EMA-price number 1.mq4 is now added to my expert advisors, but it is still not added here. In order for it to be added here, you have to close out the MT4 platform and reopen it, which I'll do that now. Anytime you add expert advisors, indicators, templates, anything like that, you have to completely close out the platform and then reopen it in order for them to take. So it's now reopened, and as you can see here, EMA price is now active for my expert advisors. Sometimes you see this little yellow dot, sometimes it's grayed out, and if you try and drag it or double click it, it won't add it to the chart. Once you close out and reopen it, a good way to double check and see if it compiled in order for you to use it is come back to file, open data folder, MQL4, experts. If you remember, all I did was add this file that I highlighted here. This ex4 file wasn't added. In order for this ex4 file to be added, when I closed out MT4 and reopened it, it compiled it now to the expert advisor. So if you try and drag or drop it on there and it's not working, you can check here, and if this ex4 file is not available, that means it's done wrong, or maybe there's an error with the code. So either go back to the developer or just try it again, try and take it out and redo it. So now that it's in there, it's in my expert advisors, all you have to do is just drag it to the screen. And in common, you have to make sure allow live trading is clicked and allow DLL imports is. Inputs tab, depending on what indicator you're using, whether or not it's moving averages, MACDs, or whatnot, this is where you generally input in all of your information. Again, this is one that I created, so I'm not going to go through and input. I mean, as you can see, I got a lot of parameters in order for this to trade. But just for this training video, I'm going to just click OK. And as you can see, my EMA-price number 1 EA is now added to the chart. You can see it's not a smiley face, it's a frown face. So this means that it is still not active to trade. In order for it to now trade live, you have to make sure auto trading is clicked and this is green. So once I do this, you'll see the frown turn into a smile. So now this is actually a live EA trading on my MT4 platform. If you want to go back and add or edit anything to it, all you do is right click, expert advisors, and click on properties. And here is where you can add, if you just want to change a moving average, MACD, magic number, whatever, you go ahead and do it. You click OK, and then now it's newly added. Anytime you want to remove it from the chart, don't just click out down here or erase the chart, because a lot of times it still may stay running in the background. To properly remove it, all you do is right click, go down to expert advisors, and click remove. It's just a good practice to always make sure that you remove it properly before exiting out. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed.